Sunshine here. Hi, Sunshine.
Here's Sunshine. She's laying down. Yes.
Here from Uniquely Creative.
What have we got for day number 6, Pearly? Pearly's going to open it up for us.
I think it's one of those beads. I think it's one of those
Like pearls or rhinestones?
Yeah.
Oh,
I think it's one
let's
of
have a
those.
look, see what we've
Since
got.
it looks that small on one of those packs.
Okay. It's a small one in there today.
I knew it. I was right.
It is. It is some of our silver rhinestones and they are beautiful. We love them. Thank you so much for sharing, Pearl. Thanks for throwing the rubbish in front of the camera. And we will come back tomorrow and see what is in day number 7. Till next time. Bye.
Bye.